Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to overlap the image onto an object in Canva. So here we have our image and we want to overlap this picture, this object. So to overlap it and bring it forward, all you have to do is click on this image, this object, and then click position and bring it to front. And like so. Now you can make it to the center if you want, but basically that's how you bring it to the front or to the back. And now if your image has a background like this one, for example, there's not much you can do but to remove the background. To remove the background, you have to have Canva Pro. If you have it, just click Edit Image, click Background Remover, and they remove the background for you, as you can see. And now you can again overlay it on top of the image. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.